Let me put myself in your shoes as a puppet loosely strung. Around you they were so confused that a faulty man could have so much fun. They read your smile as nothing but teeth. They looked at you with pity first, then disbelief. Let me put myself in your shoes as a puppet loosely strung. They may think they never choose to be the man that you'd become. You never felt the need to conform. We get drunk or high to feel what you felt since you were born. I'm tired of so many things I don't need to do. I'll loosen my strings to feel more like you. I'm tired of so many things I don't need to do.